BPL Governing Council. Mohammad Mehbul Alam, Secretary, Ministry of Youth and Sports. Mr. Asif Nazrul, Honorable Advisor, Ministry of Youth and Sports, Government of the People's Republic of Bangladesh. Muhammad Aminul Islam, Honorable President, Bangladesh Cricket Board and Chairman, BPL Governing Council. Mr. Iftikhar Rahman, Director, Bangladesh Cricket Board, Member Secretary of BPL Governing Council and Chairman, Umpires Committee of BCB. Muhammad Khalid Mashood Pilot, Director, Bangladesh Cricket Board, Chairman, High Performance Committee of BCB and Member of BPL Governing Council. We've also got Mr. K.M. Zahid Uddin, Deputy Managing Director, Safwan Boshundra Global. If I could please call upon the appreciation crest for the Technical Committee of BPL T20 2026. The following Technical Committee members are to be handed over the appreciation crest by Muhammad Khalid Mashood Pilot. Mr. ASM Rakibul Hassan, the convener. Mr. Minhajul Abedin Nannu, member. Mr. Abhi Abdullah Al Noman, ex-officio member. If you could please come up on the stage and collect your Technical Committee members' appreciation crest. If I could also call upon the match officials to come and collect their appreciation crest. Mr. Simon Toffel, match referee. Mr. Ruchira Palyogarage, on-field umpire. Mr. Ghazi Sohail, on-field umpire. Mr. Tanveer Ahmed, TV umpire. Mr. Murshid Ali Khan Shuman, fourth umpire. Mr. Imal Haq Moni and Dennis Burns, the umpire coaches. It's been absolutely magnificent watching the BPL. The umpiring has been top-notch. And full credit to everyone that's been involved in making it a success. Guessing who it is, it goes to Tanzeed Hassan Tamim for the wonderful 100, the match-winning knock, 6 fours and 7 sixes to really create a platform for his side to win it, to put them in a position to win this and lift the trophy. A true match-winning knock, and the crest and check of 5 lakh takas will be jointly handed over by Mr. Nazmul Abedin.
All congratulations. How is the feeling?
Alhamdulillah, it's a great feeling because we are the champion now, and in the final I got 100 runs. That's very special for me.
Yeah, it shows a special moment to bring that knock that you played 100 in quick time. Something very special. Very happy to see you getting the 100, and also especially when the wicket was not that easy earlier on.
Yeah, obviously, I took some time. If I get set, I want to make it big. And I think this is my day. This was my day, and I was trying to batting too deep. I think that's the main thing.
Now you have 3 centuries in BPL. We're looking forward for more.
Yeah, obviously, inshallah, I will try my best in every match.
Well batted, all the best.
Yeah, thank you. I want to say one thing. In the final match, in the century, I dedicated to my lovely wife. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right, that was a lovely dedication there, and a huge congratulations to Tanzeed. All right, it's time to announce the BPL Best Fielder of the Tournament Award, which is going to be of 300,000 takas, and this crest and check will be handed over by Mr. Zohaib Ahmed to none other than Liton Das for 10 catches, but of course he's not here. So if I could please request Shariful Islam to come on his behalf and receive this award. Liton Das with 10 catches. The fielding has been superb in this tournament. The standard has been magnificent, and we've seen some brilliant fielding overall by everyone involved. All right then, moving forward, we've got the BPL Emerging Player of the Tournament Award of 3 lakh takas, and the check and crest will be handed over by Mr. KM Zahiduddin, and that goes to none other than the fast bowling talent Ripon Mondal. He took 17 wickets at an average of 15.82, best figures of 4 for 13 and a hat-trick. He's been quite the sensation in this BPL, and full credit to him for the way he's bowled. We talk about the fast bowling talent in Bangladesh, and we've got another exciting talent coming through in the form of Ripon Mondal. Next then, we've got the BPL highest wicket taker of the tournament award of 5 lakh takas, and the crest to be handed over by Muhammad Aminul Islam, and that goes to Shoriful Islam for 26 wickets in the tournament. He's been absolutely magnificent with the ball, averaging just 10.07 in this entire BPL. Congratulations, Shoriful. You've been absolutely brilliant once again. And now it's time to move on to the BPL highest run getter of the tournament award, and that is 5 lakh takas and check and crest to be handed over by Muhammad Shakafat Hussain, and that goes to Parvez Hussain Iman for his 395 runs. Of course, he's not here, so if I could please request Muqaddul Islam to come forward and receive the check and crest on his behalf. Of the tournament award of 10 lakh takas, check and crest to be handed over by Mr. Iftikhar Rahman, Member Secretary of BPL Governing Council, and that also goes to Shoriful Islam. Shoriful seems to be having a great day with regards to the awards. He's had an overall fabulous tournament, picking up so many wickets, like we said, 26 wickets, and really sort of giving his team the chance and opportunity to win.
Shariful, congratulations. 26 wickets this season. It is also the most wickets in the history of BPL. How do you feel about that?
Assalamu alaikum. Alhamdulillah, I'm feeling good. Can I say Bangla because of lots of words? Alhamdulillah, খুব ভালো লাগতেছে হাইস্ট উইকেট টেকার হয়ে এবং কি ম্যান অফ দ্য টুর্নামেন্ট হয়ে, বাট আমরা যদি চ্যাম্পিয়ন হতাম।
শরীফুল 174 রানের টার্গেট ছিল, ওই সময় স্পিনাররা কিছুটা বল যদি ভালো করতে তো হয়তো ভাই টার্গেটটা ছোট থাকতো। ব্যাটিং অবশ্যই ডিসঅ্যাপয়েন্ট করেছে আপনাকে আজকে ফাইনালে।
কি অবশ্যই প্রতিদিন তো সবারই ফরে যাবে না, ছিল না, সো সমস্যা নেই।
অল দ্য বেস্ট, ওয়েল বল্ড।
থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ।
শরীফুল ইসলাম, player of the tournament.
There you heard it, Shoriful Islam, his thoughts on his performance so far, and jubilation all round for him, considering the kind of performance that he's delivered in this tournament. Right, now it's time for the medallion handing over session, and if I could please call upon the members of Chattogram Royals to come forward and start receiving their awards. They are the runners-up team of the tournament, but you've got to say that they've played so well throughout to reach the finals. There were some magnificent performances overall, and some delightful performances that we got to see by some of their players. Six wins in the league stage for them as well. And of course, we saw some brilliant bowling performances by Tanveer Islam, Shoriful Islam, contributions all round from Mohammad Naeem Sheikh. Adam Rosington, when he was around, he was really sort of striking the ball really well, and they've done really well to reach the final. So commiserations to them this time, but you've got to say that full credit for the way they've played in this tournament so far. The BPL Runners-Up Award the BPL Runners-Up Award is also going to be handed over by Mohammad Mehbul Alam, Secretary, Ministry of Youth and Sports. So if you could please come and collect your award and your check, and then if we can also hear from the captain. It's been great to see the crowd turn up in huge numbers, so a huge thank you to them, gratitude to them for supporting their respective sides in huge numbers and really making this BPL a special one. Mehdi Hassan leading his side so well and really sort of delivering with the ball, picking up wickets, and here he is.
Right, Mahdi, 174 to chase. Thank you.
Mehdi, if we can please request you to come and collect your award of 1 crore 75 lakh takas, check to be handed over by Mohammad Mehbul Alam, Secretary, Ministry of Youth and Sports. Applause for them all round. It's been a wonderful tournament for them and they've really entertained their fans. And we hope that they can come back stronger next year. Right then, this is the moment perhaps the winning team is waiting for as well. It's time for the champions, Rajshahi Warriors, to come forward and collect their medallions first. Really well led by Najmul Hassan Shanto. If I can please ask them to come and collect their medallions. Rajshahi Warriors, truly prolific today and generally have been the table toppers throughout the tournament. Fabulous performances. They had Kane Williamson come over just recently, came in and scored that match-winning 45. Saibzada Farhan also amongst the runs. Binura Fernando, what a performance by him today. You've got to say, just in terms of the way he's contributed, he's been doing his job quietly and picking up wickets for Rajshahi Warriors. The experience of Mushfiq was obviously very dominant throughout this tournament. Him alongside Shanto really leading the way for Rajshahi Warriors in terms of scoring runs. And then with the ball, Abdul Ghaffar Saqlain, he was quite magnificent in the way he picked up wickets. We've already given the Emerging Talent Award to Ripon Mondal. The way he's been bowling. Tanzeed Hassan Tamim setting the tone at the top today with a blistering knock. 100 to remember. It's always special when you score 100 in the final, and he delivered when it mattered the most. That partnership between Kane Williamson and James Neesham in the previous game, bringing them to this stage. Sandeep Lamachane also picking up wickets initially for Rajshahi Warriors. It's truly been a team effort for them. All the experience in the world in the form of Mushfiq and Shanto. You've got to give credit to him for the way he's led his side to victory. He's been calm and composed, and he's managed to keep the calm and composure behind the scenes as well in that dressing room, inspiring them. Let's not forget, he scored 100 in the first game of the BPL and really sort of set things the way they should be, you know, in giving them that kind of confidence. If I could please request the captain, Najmul Hassan Shanto, to go over and say a few words with regards to this wonderful win.
Congratulations, Nazmul Shanto. Brilliant performance. You started with a bang, yourself getting 100 in the first match and finish it up in style by winning the tournament.
Smiles all round,
And,
and Najmul Hasan Shanto, if we can please request you to come forward and receive the award for 2 crore 75 lakh takas, the check and the trophy to be jointly handed over by Mr. Asif Nazrul, Honorable Advisor, Ministry of Youth and Sports, Government of the People's Republic of Bangladesh, and Muhammad Aminul Islam, Honorable President, Bangladesh Cricket Board and Chairman, BPL Governing Council. The beautiful glittering trophy belongs to Rajshahi Warriors. They are the true deserving team of lifting this trophy, and I'm sure that it means a lot to them. Shanto, your team is waiting there because they want to have a piece of that trophy, and why not? It's going to be a long night, gentlemen, and I'm sure that they are going to really enjoy it because they truly deserve to celebrate.
This is the moment Rajshahi Warriors were waiting for. They are the champions of Bosundara Cement Bangladesh Premier League 2026. Outstanding cricket throughout the tournament. A well-deserved for Rajshahi Warriors. Leading from the front, skipper Nazmul Hasan Shanto and his troop. Outstanding cricket throughout the tournament with the likes of Tanzid Hasan Tamim scoring the 100 in the final of the BPL 2026. The total team effort, a clinical effort, and a moment to cherish for a long, long time. Rajshahi Warriors are the champions of BPL 2026. This has been an outstanding tournament. Overall, we have seen some brilliant cricket. High-scoring matches, super overs, hat-tricks, hundreds. We have seen it all. And in the end, it was Rajshahi Warriors who ended up right at the top, clinching the 2026 BPL in style. The celebrations will continue. It's going to be a long night for the Rajshahi Warriors players, staff, and the family members. They deserve the trophy. They played some outstanding cricket right from the start. Leading from the front, Captain Nazmul Hasan Shanto, the likes of Binura Fernando, and others were also instrumental. The likes of Ripan Mondal, emerging player of the tournament, Tanzim Hasan Saqib, and others, making sure Rajshahi Warriors go on to seal the BPL 2026 title. What a beautiful trophy this is. And they deserve the trophy, led by Nazmul Hasan Shanto. Chattogram Royals, on the other hand, will be disappointed, but they must keep their head high. They played some outstanding cricket as well to reach the final of this edition of BPL 2026. Right, it's going to be a long night for the cricketers, but at the moment, we have to finish things off. Hope you enjoyed the coverage. Until then, have a good night and stay safe.